guys, I'm C2. Got given this sterling 60mm padlock at work to pick the lock open because somebody lost the key for it. As you can see, lovely big chain there. So I'm going to pick this off. And I'm going to add another padlock to this afterwards. Probably use a nice shutter lock or a discus lock. So it is actually locked up. Quite heavy is the chain. Nice chain, not a great lock. So tension in. So start the back, work to the front, but there's little wards there. I twist like 40 degrees over top of that ward. So in I go. As it picked open. As you can see, the chain is a heck of a lot better than what the padlock was. Sterling chain. So I will pop better padlock on. So it's picked open, and that's a 60mm sterling padlock. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy picking, and please keep it legal.